Let me show you my current wallet. This is the Gucci GG Marmont card case wallet that I bought in mid-2021 from the Gucci store at the Gardens Mid Valley. Since I don't usually carry many cards nor cash, this wallet is the perfect size for me. This wallet features ample slots for my cards, coins, and cash. Although it's still considered a compact wallet, but due to its bifold design, it does take up space in some of my smaller crossbody bags. This is why I decided to purchase a new card holder. I've been looking to buy a new card holder for occasions where I would use a smaller bag but would still need ample space in my bag. A card holder will take less space and I can bring more essentials with me, like my hand cream for my eczema fingers. This is the Chanel 19 card holder and my very first Chanel item. I purchased this from a reputable consignment store online. This card holder was new and kept unused by the previous owner. This card holder is made of lambskin and has 4 slots. I'm also loving this shade of pink because to me, it is not too bright and it's just nice. I typically carry 5 cards with me at all times. My identification, driver's license, 2 credit cards, and my ATM card. Here's a side-by-side comparison of my new Chanel 19 card holder and my previous Gucci GG Marmont wallet. Thanks for watching my first ever Chanel unboxing video. Here's to more unboxing videos in the future. Bye!